Dutty Bwoy. Roses, his warlord. Connect! Warlord in the building. On the premises. Pull it up a burn. Incorrect, unincorrect, me market.
Watch me step on a gun guard. Tell me you a killer, you a young lad. Done man. Tell us me
People out tongue God, we step on a ground God. Say them a hold back, you see say them a ground back.
go exchange that make them exchange. Why you want to win the pain? Why make I win the vote when the Veritas a blow and get me?
Long time ago, an ancient battle has been brewing, and now both adversaries square off.
What? Man learned big words, man. Adversaries square off. Yo, how it start again?
Jano, you know, some years they told him a war since birth. And when them did a go school, Bounty tell Beenie say war analyze something. And Beenie wet him up with a bag juice.
Nah man, never go so. It's Bounty wet up Beenie with the bag juice.
Tony stop on the foolish man. I be a idiot thing in our chat.
We'll see now, the war about to start.
Anytime you sleep and dream, say you puff my chest. Pinch yourself, kind of wake up.
Fool! Me puff your chest already, I follow the arrow. Auto!
Him puffing chest again.
Yep, and we not dream.
And now Beenie will get wicked.
AI! Oh, no. Okay, get that, sir. Then get da. Then get da. Boy, that you will be here. Then get da. Then get da. Then get da. One, that you will be here.
Mr. Angel, alongside Beenie, man, we tell the girl about the road, tell the different man.
I'm having the time of my life, and I know this cause I will
Rat it, Bounty level off piece of Beenie lock.
Well, me no see no posse when me fear. Party cloud make them hear. Full of clarity me clear. You just that sharp. So when the wall arm appear, them drop like chandelier. And be a puppies up in here. You just that sharp. So me turn up fire play.
Look how you make the man start load. I wanna bring down man enough. Go on one man.
I've been through the money and the blings. I've been through the wedding and the ring.
Go on one. What me say? Yeah man, break free from your son.
Round 3. Fight!
Connect!
Yo, you know if he said the Amalek at?
Man, you kidding? Hurts like a mouth.
A joke you make man.
And Beenie punches Bounty in the head and Bounty kicks Beenie in the stomach. Oh, what a nasty one. And Bounty's lips are swollen bigger. And Beenie man get hit so hard his locks start swelling.
Stop Dan, stop. You're the worst commentator me ever hear. Murder hear G-Swag rap about it to rat it.
Oh, word? I straight up. Yo, war is crazy. I know that everybody feel it. Worse than Bounty take the hammer and start to wheel it. And Beenie feel it. It looks like he is seeing double. And if you look closely, his legs them start to wobble.
Alright, G-Swag, stop.
You rap flop, better, you grab a
Wanna be rap star? Make we finish watch war.
Yo, where them gone?
The war done, then I who win.
Connect!
Boy, me I tell you, the endorsement them always bring peace and spoil the war.
A real thing man, this war is to be continued.
No boy me no fear. Party cloud make them hear. Full of clarity me clear. You just that sharp. When the warlord appear, them drop like chandelier. And be a puppies up in here. You just that sharp. So me gun up fire clear. When it does you disappear, get your ass out of here. You just that sharp. When you boy hear me and Dave Kelly shoulda tell you him a play me and when we a box people me no wear me and so no play the man. Call him nine some